Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy crumble. First, understand that this unique topping adds a delightful texture and burst of flavor to your favorite sweet treats. It's surprisingly simple to create at home with minimal effort. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you achieve perfect, airy crumbles every time. Get ready to elevate your dessert game with this fun and easy addition. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You'll need approximately 4 ounces of fresh cotton candy, which is usually 1 standard bag. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat to prevent sticking. Finally, preheat your oven to a very low temperature, specifically 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle heat is crucial for achieving the desired crumble texture without melting the sugar completely. Now, let's get to the baking. Carefully spread the cotton candy in a thin, even layer across your prepared baking sheet. Place it into the preheated 200 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 5 to 7 minutes. Keep a close eye on it. You want it to slightly crisp, not melt into a liquid. Once baked, remove the sheet from the oven and allow the cotton candy to cool completely. It will become brittle as it cools. Once fully cooled, the cotton candy will be firm and brittle. Gently crush it with your hands or a spoon to create small, airy crumbles. Avoid overcrushing, as you want distinct pieces. Store your finished cotton candy crumbles in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week to maintain their texture. They are perfect for topping ice cream, cakes, or even hot chocolate. Check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.